Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagbabalik. Nagbabalik ako ngayon for another series of games na pwede natin laruin at pwede natin ma-enjoy. My last video was Resident Evil 7 and it's a series kasi it has so much thing to do doon sa larong yun. And honestly, uh it's very enjoying, it's very exciting na laruin yung laro na yun. But now, I'm playing Minecraft. It's a kids game, pero para sa akin, it doesn't have to be a kids game. Everyone can play it. Oh, okay. So doon nagsimula yung video natin. Everyone can play it, and as far as I know, this game here is I haven't played it in such a long time. And speaking of such a long time, ganun din ang last video ko. It was almost 2 years. So yeah, let's start the game. Big sheep. And akala ko isa lang nakita ko, dalawa pa pala. Wow. That's ironic. Very, very ironic. I mean, it's not really ironic kung sasabihin natin it's rare. Super duper rare. It's the most rarest thing ever na makikita mo in the whole game. And I think the most rarest mob is a baby zombie villager. Oh no, it's not a villager. It's a baby zombie siya. With full diamond armor. I don't think netherite armor is common on baby zombies. I don't think na magkakaroon sila ng netherite armor ever. But you never know. Okay. May isang bagay na nakita ko nag-updated. Isang bagay. Which is a good thing to have. Especially if you want to, kill mobs. And it's the new item called a spear. I want to test it. I want to try it. Kasi baka mamaya it has good values na pwede natin gamitin yun for, attacking purposes. Kasi it's such a hard thing here. Because I'm playing hardcore. And if you die talaga. Hindi ka na makapag-revive, hindi ka na makapag-respawn, you'll die. And playing or hardcore is so, kaya nga nasa name na nga, hard. Kapag yung kunwari, for example, yung zombie, diba? Before they do 1 to 2 hearts of damage, but now kapag kapag natama ka ng oh my god, kapag ngayon natama ka ng zombie, they'll deal like 3 to 4.5 hearts of damage, and it's not good kasi nakakaano yun, it's so annoying, and especially since you're playing on PC. I mean, hindi naman mahirap maglaro sa PC, okay, that's 1 iron, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we hit the jackpot, may 6 agad tayo. But I still don't have enough items, coal and such. But let me get this. Wala pa tayong coal. And I want to get this big sheep, honestly. Isa lang siya, nawala isa, di ko na nakita. Pero tapatin mo na natin ito. Wow, this biome is good. And may lava pool pa dito, di ba? Oh, ayun, may coal tayo agad. So, may na yung big sheep na nandun sa kabila. Let's get this one. Hopefully, I don't fall in lava because that's not good. Oh. And you know me, kapag talagang I get too much cocky on stuff. Kagaya no old video ko sa Resident Evil. I get too cocky most of the time and I fail. to do so. I have to craft. My god, no. Gosh, oh my god, iron. Okay. And since I'm low on hunger and malapit na rin manggabi, let's get this iron real quick. My god. Okay, craft that. Siguro yan, pork choice. Ang ano mo na. Meron na din tayong katunggali. Okay. Monster. Let me get this. Okay. Up. I wanna get a shield. Craft a shield first. I want to craft an armor first. There we go. Let's craft this spear. Try natin with iron. I know, I want to try it with stone. But how much attack? 2 attack damage. Can you hit the big? Okay, no. It has have limited range. Okay. Okay, now craft an pickaxe. Meron tayong tatlong uri ng pickaxe dito. Okay, how am I? I want to go to the cherry blossom. I want to see if the myth is true na wala daw mobs na nag-spawn sa loob ng cherry blossom tayo. Look, I am pretty stuck. Oh, look. Oh, I hail the power. I command you to go here. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Kasi yung animation. Ay, try na natin to. Oh, bawal. Bawal. Okay, let me try to get up there. Yung naririnig akong creeper. Not yun. Oh, my skeleton. No. No way. Those guys, it's like small house. Okay. Oh, no. Maganda siya sa creeper kasi kapag hindi mo mapapalapit yung creeper, it won't blow up. And if you want to, kapag wala ka pang creeper farm, you can use this as your guide dito sa island ito. Okay. And let me get one more chest. Okay, nice. I guess I will store our foods and such. Look at another furnace. Kasi I want to then maintenance talaga. Maintenance. But siguro sa susunod na araw mo painting. But honestly, you'll learn one day. Eventually. I want those guys here. Okay. I want these cows to be right here in this island. want to get these cows. Kahit dalawa lang sa kanila to get terminals. Siguro marami na kayo nakakain na dito. Pero ito, kalakayan.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Nope. No. Okay, ayoko na to. Ayoko na to. I'll go to one house, and sleep there. Because I don't have a bed. Okay. Bawal dito sa Dragon. Dati pa pwede. Seryoso? Akala ko dati fresh. Sugarcane as possible. To get papers and stuff. Saka ko lang kung ano yun. Okay. I want to feed these guys here. Ano kasi yung ano yun? Nagtitrip ako lang itong Enderman. Oh my god. 3.5 hearts. Oh my god. Nakatay ako Enderman. To be honest with you. And yeah. I have a grass block and an Enderman. I'm gonna keep that. And I think that's all for today's video muna. Siguro I'll take a rest. And siguro ito na to. So yeah. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sana naman na-enjoy nyo yung panonood na to. And if meron kayong gusto sabihin na suggestions, sabihin nyo lang. Okay? I will do those suggestions na gusto nyo sabihin para naman maisagawa natin ang mga exciting parts na gusto nyo gawin ko, okay, for this hardcore series. So stay safe and take care. See you guys next time. Bye bye.